Alright, back in the shop. Time for module swap out. Oh, there it went in the way. There it goes. Alright, so I don't know why it's working, not working, but it's not working. So, chance of the coil being bad are about zero. Okay, so we got a new module. So here's a brand new one. So I'm going to see what length wires I had these cut out. I'll pre-cut this one to match the one that's in it. Make it easy. Now that's why I put the harnesses where you can get to them easily and not running through the rest of the bike's harness. So you can see its harness is laying right here. So it's easy to get to for situations like this. We have to pull the coil off to get those wires over there. And then we just pull all this stuff back out and swap out the module itself. I have no idea why it's working, not working, but it's obviously the module. So something ain't happy. Don't know what for sure, but something. Okay, so let's get some part around here. We need to get the coil off. Keep the battery charger on the battery too, so it'll start charging it back up. All that cranking, I'm sure, did not help it. What did I do with the? Yeah, what did I do with the stupid charger? Yeah, I don't know. Laid it someplace, somewhere hidden. There it is. Found it. Okay, power is back on. Snake Eyes is charging. Okay, that was easy. Tools. I know what tools I need just alone. That. Let's see. Spark plug wrench. Right here. That should be everything we need now. What we're going to do with this minute anyway. I've got a gas leak over here a little bit. All that bouncing around. Gonna drop on the ground there for some reason. Going. Okay, so we got to turn the motor over. It's gonna pull out one spark plug. I don't have the access to my sprocket nut here, so I have to turn the rear wheel to turn the motor over now. Make sure you keep the plugs in the plug wires so you don't test the ignition with a not a plug in there. You always want to be able to put the plug up on the ground so it'll spark like it's supposed to, otherwise it burns through the back of the coil, through the plug wire boot, through the plug wire here to ground, which will make it bad if you do that, so don't do that. Okay, timing hole plug right here. Pop that loose. Okay. Coil off. That's probably the bolts. Yep. 7/16 wrench. Didn't grab one part. Forgot about the back side. One of those. That's what we need. We've got one part you forget. No, leave it in there. So you got blue in the front, pink in the back. Yep, those are different size. Those are small little wire nuts. Look like about a little 5/16 or something like that. Definitely not this size. And let's drop down 2 sockets. Yeah, maybe 3 sockets. Get little small nuts there, see? Yep, 2 down does it. Ah! That's in the way when it hits you in the head. Okay. Nailed me right in the head. In the forehead. 2, 3. That's why I use white for power source in my electrical, because that's the hot lead for the coil. Colors all match. Okay. Out of the way. Okay, this is free to come out now. We got a zip tie up there. A cut. Didn't bring that with me. Okay. Quick swap out. Need that right there. Pull that wire out of there. Okay, on this side of the bike now. One more zip tie. Well, by the roots. Ah. So you can see it, you can't get to it. There it is. One zip tie. Yeah, I got one more down here somewhere probably. Yep. Oh no, that goes up the point cover. And of course that's behind the exhaust system, which is hard to get to. Yeah, that's fun. That'll be fun to get to. Bolt right there, see? Goes underneath that plate, tuning plate. So I need to get to that with a ball tip. Where'd my Allen's go? Should be right there. They're over here. So, see if we can get our ball tip in there. Come in there heavy angle, you might be able to get to it, but in this case, no deal. We are not getting to that thing at all. No stinking way. Underneath the bike, same bad angle. So that needs a really, really short Allen to get in there. Way shorter than this one. It'd have to be 5/7 inch shorter than this one to get in there. I used to have a bunch of short Allens I had cut, but I have no idea where any of that stuff is at. There's a broken Allen. That's too short. In the wrong size. Yep. All my tools are missing. So I don't know what I'm going to use. Alright, we'll have to figure out what we're going to do with that, because that has to come out to get to the other one. Let's see, I can probably just bend the plate a little bit. It's not the best way in the world to do it, but short of pulling the whole damn exhaust system off. That's about my only option. So I guess I'm just going to have to cheat. At least it came out whole. There we go. Don't like doing stuff like that, but what am I going to do? Alright, that comes right on out of there. Okay, so what do we got here? We got extra wires here. Okay, these might be able to pull these out one at a time through the hole. Hole's pretty good size, so yep, good. We can get it out without taking outlets. There we go. Boom, it's out. How long did that take? I don't know. How long is it to put back in? It's 15 after 6. How long is it going to take to fix this problem? Okay, so now I got to figure out how much length of wire we got here. That's the first thing I'm going to check. These look like the terminals that we used, so we'll use those again. Here is our module. Okay, be right back.